Laryngeal artery anatomy. 6. Questions and answers. Is the laryngeal artery a branch of the superior thyroid artery? Yes, the laryngeal artery is a branch of the superior thyroid artery. Does the laryngeal artery supply the larynx? Yes, the laryngeal artery supplies the larynx. Which structure in the neck does the superior laryngeal artery supply? The superior laryngeal artery supplies the larynx in the neck. Does the laryngeal artery pierce the thyroid membrane? Yes, the laryngeal artery pierces the thyroid membrane. Does the laryngeal artery anastomose with other arteries? Yes, the laryngeal artery anastomoses with other arteries. The laryngeal artery anastomoses with which other arteries? The laryngeal artery connects with the laryngeal artery on the opposite side.